to find square root of 1936 by long division method, first make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Consider this second pair. You have to take a number whose square will be equal to 19 or closest to 19. If you take here log 4, then 4 square will be 16, but if you take here 5 equal to 25, which is greater than 90, so 4 is correct. So same digit will come here. 4 times 4, 16. Okay, now subtract. 3 bring down the next pair. Okay, now you have placed here the digit 4, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. Now you need to place a number, this number also come here, and you need to multiply. That is 8, your gauging number, times this, that is this times this. If you place here 4, then what will happen? Look, 4, this 4 must come here, 4, so 84 times 4. What will happen? 4 times 4, 16, write 6, carry on to the next column. 4 times 8, 32 plus 1, 33. That is, our product is equal to this. So our gauging number 4 is here is correct. Okay, so 4 times 84, 336. Subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 44. Since you have placed the digit 4 here, same digit will come here and add. Plus 4, 8. The double of 44 is 88. So our answer is correct. So the square root of 1936 by long division method is 44.